Students, I hope you all are doing well. As we are doing chapter multiplication, today our topic is multiplication by 10 and 100. Suppose we have number say 42 and we have to multiply this number by 10. How we do this? Firstly, we write this number according to its place value. Ones, tens, 100. All of you know this 2 is on ones place and 4 is on tens place. So we write 2 and 4 here, and we have to multiply 42 by 10. So we write 10 according to its place value and we have to multiply this. Now all of you know how to multiply 2-digit number by 1-digit number or 2-digit number, right? But this is tricky one. This is easy. There is no need to multiply this ones by ones, ones by tens. What you have to do, whenever you have to multiply any number by 10, you have to move the digit one place to the left. That is, in case of 42, you have to move this 2 to the tens and this 4 to the 100, and you have to write 0 in the ones place. So you have to write 0 in the ones place. So in this way you can multiply a number by 10. We are going to take another example. Suppose we have number say 96 and we have to multiply this by 10. So very first step is to write this according to its place value, that is ones, tens, 100. All of you know this 96, 6 is on ones and 9 is on tens. So we write 6 here and 9 here, and we have to multiply this by 10. So we write here 10 and we have to multiply. How we do this? As we have done this, similarly we have to do this. We move this 6 to the tens and 9 to the 100, and we write 0 to the ones, right? Whenever you have to multiply any number by 10, you have to write 0 to the ones and move the given digit to the left. We are going to take another example. Say we have number 35 and we have to multiply by 10. So which number we get? Yes, 350. Okay. Suppose we have a number say 7 and we have to multiply this 7 by 100. How we do this? Firstly we write this according to its place value, ones, tens, 100. So we write 7 here and 100 here. Now all of you know this 100 has 0 to the ones and this 0 to the tens. So how we do this? We move the digit 2 places to the left. Means this digit to the 100 place and this 0 to the ones and tens. So in this way we get answer as 700. We are going to take another example. Suppose we have number 2 and we have to multiply this by 100. Which number we get? If we have to fill in this box, which number we have to fill? Guess. We're gonna write here 200, and we can also do this by this way, ones, tens, 100. We write here 2 and here 100, and we just move 2 to the 2 places to the left. So we write 2 to the 100 and we write 0 here and 0, this 0 here. So in this way we get answer as 200. Hope this is clear to you. Now our next topic is multiplication of 3-digit numbers. As we have done this for 2-digit, but today we are going to learn this for 3-digit. We are going to take an example for this. Suppose we have number say 124 and we have to multiply this number by 2. How we do this? Very first step is we have to write this according to its place value. So we write here ones, tens, 100. All of you know this 4 is at ones place, so we write here 4. This 2 is at tens place, so we write here 2. And this 1 is at 100 place, so we write here 1. And we have to multiply this by 2. All of you know now this 2 is only have 2 ones, so we write here 2. And we have to multiply this. How we do this? Firstly, we have to multiply 2 with the digit in the ones place of 124. So which digit is at ones place of 124? Yes, very good, 4. So we have to multiply this 2 by 4. So 2 4s are 8. So we write 8 to the ones. Clear? Now we have to multiply this 2 with the digit in the tens place of 124. So which digit is present in the tens place of 124? Yes, 2. And we have to multiply this 2 by this 2. So which number we get? 2 2s are 4. So we write 4 in the tens place. Again we have to multiply this 2 with the digit in the hundred place of 124. Now which digit is present in the hundred place of 124? Yes, 1. So now we have to multiply this 2 with 1. Which number we get? We get 2. So we write 2 in the hundred place. So in this way we get 248 after multiplying 124 by 2. Suppose we have another example. Say we have to multiply 232 by 3. This is 3-digit number. We have to multiply by this 3. So very first step is we have to write this according to its place value. So we write 232, this 3 according to its ones, tens, 100. Right? Now what do we have to do? We have to multiply this 3 to the ones place of 232. Now tell me which digit is present in the ones place of 232. Yes, very good, 2. So 3 2s are 6. So we write 6 to the ones place. Now we have to multiply this 3 to the tens place of 232. Which number we get? 3 3s are 9. So we write here 9. Again we have to multiply this 3 by 100 place of 232, that is by 2. Now 3 2s are 6. So we get 696 as answer. Let us quick recapitulate what we did today. Firstly, we learned about how to multiply given digit by 10 and 100. This is very easy and tricky. After that, we have learned how to multiply 3-digit number. Hope this is clear to you. This is all about today. Thank you.